Welcome. This is how to view or change cellular data settings on iPhone. So, first thing is just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your phone. And now here on the settings, guys, you could just simply scroll down and you should be able to have here cellular at the very top, as you can see over here. So go ahead and tap on that. And from here, guys, you should be able to see all of the settings about your cellular. So from the first one, you can turn on and off your cellular data over here, and you will have an option as well to have the cellular data options. You could provide a 5G auto, 5G on, 4G, depending on you, and you could also select the data mode. So pretty much over here, you will have all the settings you need. And if you scroll down further, you should have an option over here, set up personal hotspot as well if you want to share your connection. And you will have the other data over here down below. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.